Today we are here at High Parc in Smyrna, and I am with Amy from Traton Homes. And Amy, we have been talking about this neighborhood for a while, but today we're here in this gorgeous decorated model. I love it. So what can you tell us about this neighborhood?
So this neighborhood is going to offer 2- and 3-story townhomes, all 2,000 square feet. So we really have a lot of space, a lot of different floor plans to offer here at High Parc.
Well, one of the things I noticed right out the gate is this is so open and wide and spacious. So I'm loving that about this floor plan.
Yeah, so this floor plan is going to really open itself up to a large living space. You have a wonderful bedroom on the first floor, which will lend itself to those that work from home, a nice office, 2 huge bedrooms upstairs. So it really lives very well.
And what other type of floor plans will be offered as well?
So we also have 2-story ones, and they're just going to have the living space and your garage on the main level, 3 bedrooms up. One even has a great loft, again, for those that want to work from home. So we try to have a little bit of different variety here for anybody.
Well, one thing that's really important to a lot of home buyers today is that outdoor space, and I noticed that there's a really awesome porch in the back. So
Yes.
Will they all have that?
So that is a great option that we have here. We can do it covered, we can do it uncovered, but there's the outdoor space along with the amenities that we're going to have here. We're going to have a wonderful cabana and a pool, so you can get out, take a walk around, and you can't beat this location.
Exactly. We've got to talk about this location. You know, to buy a new construction townhome in the area of Smyrna is almost unheard of these days.
It is.
So talk a little bit about this area.
So again, in Smyrna, we're right off of Windy Hill, so you can get to the Battery, Truist Park, Smyrna Market Village, Vinings, and not to mention just easy access to 285 and 75. We're so close to everything. It is our next best seller here.
And how many townhomes are you going to have here at High Parc, and when could somebody potentially move in?
So we'll have a total of 80 when we're all said and done. There's already people living here, and right now the ones we have going, you could probably be here around fall.
Well, Amy, where did these townhomes start? And if people want to find out more, what's the best way to do that?
Our inventory homes right now start in the low 5s, and really the best way to get good information is call Steve at 678-858-1984.
Well, Amy, thanks so much for being here with me today, and come check out this gorgeous decorated model at High Parc in Smyrna by Traton Homes.